In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a conversation with ChatGPT on your iPhone. First, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. You'll find it just like any other app, either on your home screen or by swiping down and using the search bar. When the app opens, give it a second to load your home view. If it's your first time in a while, the app may show a brief splash screen before taking you to the main chat area, which is exactly where you want to be. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen for the text box that says Ask ChatGPT. This is your main input area, and you'll notice a small plus icon beside it. That icon simply indicates there are extra options available, but for now, you don't need to tap it. If your keyboard doesn't appear automatically, just tap the text box once to bring it up. The cursor should start blinking, letting you know you're ready to type. Now type your message in this text box. You can ask a quick question, describe a task you need help with, or start a longer conversation. The more specific you are, the better the better the response will be. For example, instead of saying, help me with a schedule, you might say, help me create a weekday schedule for studying, exercise, and cooking. If you make a typo, don't worry, just fix it before sending, or send it as is. ChatGPT will usually understand your intent. If you're drafting something longer, it can be helpful to write in short, clear sentences. Feel free to include context like your goals, constraints, or preferences to guide the answer. When you're ready, tap the send button, which looks like an up arrow to the right of the text box. That starts the conversation. You'll see your message appear in the chat, and then ChatGPT will generate a response. If the reply doesn't fully cover what you need, you can immediately follow up in the same text box. Ask for clarification, request examples, or refine your prompt. There's no need to start a new chat unless you want to switch topics completely. That's all it takes. Open the app, tap the Ask ChatGPT box, type your message, and tap Send. Keep your prompts clear, include any necessary details, and build on the conversation as you go. With these basics, you'll be able to get helpful, focused answers anytime you need them right from your iPhone.